Overall, I think between the quality of service and the quality of the product, it's been a great experience overall. Competitively priced, we had multiple bids, and being able to get it done in a timely manner was really important for us.
Yeah, overall we're really happy with our new driveway. Our neighbors have commented on how great it looks, and so I think they're just as happy as we are, right? So they can see a nice driveway now and not one that's falling apart.